Hey guys, today we have a special craft for GoGo and Alex, and we have some clues hidden in these boxes. So we're gonna hide them around the yard, and they're gonna go around and find them. Once they get all the clues, we'll let them guess and see what the craft is. All right, come on. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the boys and we'll have them find the clues. Alright, so guys, it's Saturday. It's the weekend! Yay! So what do you guys want to do today?
We want surprises.
You want to find surprises? Well, you're in luck because we hid some surprises for you guys outside, and you're going to look for them. They're hidden in these bright colored boxes, and they're clues for a surprise that we have for you.
Yay!
All right, so let's go outside and you guys can find the surprises.
Yay!
Find all the boxes?
Yeah.
How many are there? One,
2, 3,
4.
4.
4. All right.
What
What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like some bird seed. Oh, different shape, cookie cutters. Butterfly one. And what's in that last one, Alex? A measuring spoon?
So what do you guys think we're gonna do with a measuring spoon and some cool cookie cutters and some bird seed? We're gonna do a special craft where we're gonna make yummy bird feeders so that we can hang them up and see the birds come out in our backyard and eat the bird seed. And maybe some squirrels too. How's that sound?
Good.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna start now.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Then
Go ahead. First, we're gonna add the bird seed. Good job.
do I put the flour in? Oh.
Oh, that's a big scoop. Throw it in there. All right, cool. So we got our flour, we got our bird seed. What's next?
My hand is so dirty.
Yeah, peanut butter.
Peanut
Let's add
butter.
some peanut butter.
Yay! With the peanut butter.
Sure.
So let's get the measuring spoon.
Get the measuring spoon. Good job. Whoa. Yeah, use your finger, go ahead. It's all right. The birdies won't mind. There you go, good job. We got our peanut butter, we got our flour, we got our bird seed.
Yeah.
What's next? We're gonna add some corn syrup. Whoa, cool. So we got our corn syrup, all our other ingredients. Now we're gonna mix them up. Grab your spoon. How about this? Dun, 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 dun. Spatula. How about you take turns? So you go first. Whoa, good job. Look at that. Mixing it all up. I think the birdies are really gonna like this.
I think so.
Yeah. You wanna let your brother try and mix it a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, Alex, your turn.
Sister.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and use our cool cookie cutter shapes.
Yeah.
So we're going to use our spatula and we're going to put our mix into the cookie cutters, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa.
Cool, huh? You want to do that?
Yeah. Duh.
Nice. Good job.
So soft. Hard.
Scoop it in there. Yep. Just give it a nice little pat. Pat, 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 gentle. Good. All right. Go ahead and take them out of the cookie cutter shapes. Ooh, there's your heart. There's your star. And there's your
Butterfly.
butterfly. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let them harden overnight. Tomorrow, we'll have our finished bird feeders.
Yeah.
Yeah! All right, so our bird feeders have hardened overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're nice and hard. See, you want to hold one up? Whoa!
Oh, Debbie.
I have a heart. What shape do you have?
A star.
A star. Cool.
And there's a heart.
Yep. So here's a piece of string for you,
There you go.
and here's a piece of string for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie them around the bird feeders like this, so that you can hang them from a little tree branch, or you can hang them from part of your house, or a planter or something like that, and the little birdies can come and land on them and eat their breakfast. How's that sound? Good. All right. How about right here? You want me to do it or you want to do it? Hang on.
Hey, up high. Look, I'm up here.
Hey parents, thanks for watching this video by GoGo and Alex. If you had as much fun as we did, click the subscribe button and we'll see you again real soon. Bye!